This video is brought to you by Acwell.
Annyeong Ippunions! Welcome to our 5th episode of Ippuni Skincare Playground. Today we will be introducing new Aqua products. Alright, so in this episode, we are going to introduce you to new Aqua products. They are new and upgraded. They have new looks. They are newly formulated products. And we also have 2 different lines here that we'd like to introduce to you guys today. We have the pH balancing line and also the Real Aqua line. And these are the upgraded products that I told you guys about. Alright, so before we start to introduce you guys to the new Aqua products, we'd like to let you guys know the new Aqua product is made out of only safe ingredients rated in the EWG ratings that are 1 to 2, and it's also safe to be used by people with very sensitive skin. Alright, so here we have the Aqua pH balancing line, which consists of 3 types of cleansers. We have here the cleansing oil, the cleansing foam, and also the cleansing gel. Alright, so the Aqua pH balancing watery cleansing oil, which is this one. It's a watery oil that melts blackheads with a texture full of moisture. And it has green tea tree, 20%, and tea tree leaf extract water. It is light, watery. Okay, we'll show you the texture. Okay, so here you can lock and unlock. So texture is like, oh yeah, it's really watery. So it's a watery cleansing oil. Use this to remove your makeup, and it also helps to remove your blackheads as well. So you can do the massage thing. There are tips to remove blackhead with cleansing oil. Is you can use this cleansing oil, massage your face for 20 minutes, and then you can see the impurities and blackheads leaving your skin. So moving on, Aqua pH balancing soothing cleansing foam. Alright, its pH level is 5.5. Alright, it washes out waste and sebum. So this is how it looks like. It's like a normal foam cleanser. You use this, you basahkan your face, and then you just foam this up and clean your face, where it helps remove the impurities and sebum. Alright, although it is mild, but it does its job really well, especially for sensitive skin and for oily skin. Actually, because I have combination skin, right? You guys know, right? I have oily skin, and then I have tried this. Even though it's mild, but it cleanses the face sufficiently to the point that you feel your skin is clean enough, but it's not drying and tightening. Okay. And finally, it's the Acwell pH balancing bubble-free cleansing gel. Alright, so you can see the pretty packaging here. It's different because it's the gel yang dia ada sinar sikit, you can see through, and the foam is solid color tube. So it comes in a tube form, and the cleansing gel is very soft. I like how it works, but for me personally, I think the foam works better for my skin. This is bubble free, okay? This one tak ada foam, tak ada buih punya. Even though dia tak berbuih, tapi dia cleanses your face really well, and it's also moisturizing. Tambah-tambah lagi bila dia tak ada foam kan, so it's really moisturizing lah. And then the cleansing gel is an all-step cleanser. That means you don't have to double cleanse. You can use this to remove your makeup as well. Alright, so dia memang cukup buat to even remove your makeup and clean your face, even though dia tak ada bubbles. Okay, so you see it's an all skin type cleanser, and it's moisturizing cleansing for sensitive skin. Like you see, the new product, new Acwell line is very suitable for sensitive skin, especially for teenagers yang baru nak start with their new skincare routine. So this is highly recommended. So it's like really safe. Alright, good news to all the oily skin people out there, because the new Aqua product is like, I can say like super for oily skin people. Because here we have the toner, the lotion, and also the ampule. It is specially designed to work well with oily skin people. Alright, so I'll introduce you with the toner first. Alright, this is the toner. This is the Acwell Aqua Balancing Toner. Alright, so this balancing toner is extra fresh and light. Hey, this is not a toner. Wait, terbalik. Okay, this is the toner. Alright, this is the toner because it's very watery, it's water-like. Alright, so this is very fresh and it also acts as your daily exfoliating toner. Okay, you can use this daily. This is not tak kuat, that you can use daily. So it's called your daily exfoliating toner. It's for those who want to take care of both fresh and moisture of your skin for daily, and if you want daily exfoliation as well at the same time. Alright, so this product, like as I said earlier, is very suitable to those who have oily skin on the outside, but like troubled and dried skin on the inside. I don't know how it makes sense, but it is oily. Mine maybe combination lah. Like me, like I have oily skin outside, but at times, certain times, like maybe that time of the month kan, for those like your skin akan jadi like drying ke, like troubled, like acne, dia tiba-tiba nak flare up kan. Like for me, personally, if you use this toner, it helps calm down your skin, it freshens up, and it provides sufficient moisture, and it's also not harsh. It helps gently exfoliate your skin. Basically the toner that everyone would want to have. Alright, let's move on to the Acwell Aqua Balancing Lotion. Okay, let's look at the texture. This is not scented, tak ada bau fragrance at all. Susah sikit nak keluar. Whoa. Alright, this is how the lotion looks like. Okay, this lotion, how you use it is after your toner. After you tone your face, you can use this toner if you feel that you need more moisturizing effect. And to those who have oily skin, this is really recommended. This one is not sticky and not oily at all, and then yeah, provides you sufficient moisture for you to go through your day. Lastly is Acwell Aqua Balancing Ampule. Okay, this ampule is super special because it's like, compared to other ampules that I've tried before, then this ampule is considered very runny and watery. Okay, as you can see from here, it's very runny and watery, and then the more you use it, the more moisture that absorbs into your skin. That means it locks even more moisture. Okay? Since it is very thin, very runny, you can layer it to your desire. Okay? Sebanyak mana yang you nak, sampai you rasa cukup. Okay? So this is not sticky, it's not oily. Dia tak ada fragrance as well. So this is the new and upgraded product from Acwell. I told you guys in the beginning, right? So remember the Aqua Clinique cream and the Clinique Glow cream? Okay, these are the upgraded new versions from Acwell that they've just released. Alright. And then one important note is that they are not going to be producing the old ones. Instead, they are going to go with the newly formulated ones, which have this cute packaging here. It looks very atas gitu. So let's get into trying and showing you guys the texture of this product. Okay, if you can see, the texture is almost the same, but it has 37.33% more absorption compared to the one before. Alright, So it's even better from the one we had before already, even though I really liked the Clinique before, but they renewed and upgraded it to become even better. So this is also hypoallergenic tested. It is another level of soothing cream. It's clear and transparent skin. It is all unscented and fragrance free. Alright, so to you guys that has orang yang ada allergy to fragrance, good news for you. New Aqua products have no fragrance, like 0 to none fragrance. They are all unscented. To what I've tried lah, tak ada, from the cleanser to the cream to the lotion to the toner, semua tak ada fragrance. Alright, so it's really safe, and this is also suitable for people who have oily skin, and then it helps relax your sensitive skin, calms and soothes your skin. Okay, compared to the old Clinique, I think you guys will really like the new one. Alright, so the glow cream. Alright, this is the Aqua Clinique cream / glow, the glow cream, and the new name is the Aqua Real Aqua Balancing Glow Cream. Okay, from my observation, the glow cream, it still has the same scent. Okay, this pink one still ada scent, and it still has that pink rosy tint to the cream. Okay. The function of this cream is not only provides you moisture, but it also brightens your dull skin. Right, so from you can see here, it has a pink tint to it. It's really cute and soft. It has a very mild scent, like a rosy scent. It's nothing too overwhelming. Alright, so this glow cream, it really helped me, even though the texture is way thicker. It's not a bit, it's like way thicker from the Clinique. I mean, the new name is the Real Aqua Balancing Cream, the normal one, the original one, the unscented one, right? For me, what I need is just a thin layer for me, because I like how it brightens dull skin, and it also help improve my uneven skin tone with this cream. Okay, I don't mind the scent. For me, it is very sweet. For me, I suka the scent, so I really don't mind the scent. Alright, you guys, that's all for this episode, and hope you guys enjoyed it, even though I'm like super nervous this time around doing the video by myself with a Hang beside me. So we're gonna miss you, Hang. And so yeah, this is it for the Acwell introduction, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our videos, and do follow our Instagram page for more updates about new promotions, new products and so on. So till next time, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.